Today we are going to be subtracting two-digit numbers without regrouping using base 10. So the first thing we always want to do is rewrite our equation vertically. So we have 87 and we have 34 and we are subtracting. Then we will divide our numbers into place value chart. We have tens and we have ones. To use base 10, I like to redraw my place value chart off to the side. So I have tens and I have ones. And then I will draw my base 10 blocks. To represent 87, I need 8 10 rods. And I need 7 ones units. Now I look at my operation and I see that I am subtracting. So I'm not going to be putting 4 more dots, I'm going to be taking away 4 of my ones units. To do that, I'm going to cross out 4. Okay, now I can count up what's left and I have 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put a 3 here so that I see I have 3 ones units left. Now I can move to my tens place. I have 8 and I need to cross out 3. If I count them up, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. So 87 minus 34 equals 53. I always box in my answer so it doesn't get lost on the page. Let's look at one more. We have 98 minus 65. So first we'll rewrite it. 98 minus 65. And put my place value chart. Tens and ones. And then I'll go over here and rewrite my place value chart. Tens and ones. And now I need to represent 98 with base 10. So I have 9 tens, so I need 9 10 rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have 8 ones units, so I need to draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We always start in our ones place. I have 8. I need to cross out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm left with 3. Now I can subtract my tens place. I have 9. I need to cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I am left with 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 33. And I box it in so that it does not get lost